Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to borrow money from a Cash App. So Cash App offers a feature called Cash App Borrow, which allows eligible users to borrow money directly through the app. Here's how you can check if you're eligible and borrow money. If you are checking eligibility, update your Cash App, go ahead into your App Store, Google Play, make sure that you updated your Cash App to the latest version. Then open up the Cash App and launch the Cash App on your mobile device, and then access the borrow feature. Tap on the banking icon, the building symbol at the bottom left corner of the screen, and if you're eligible, you will see a borrow option. If you don't see that option, you're likely not eligible at this time. And now you're gonna go through the process of borrowing the money. If you are eligible, select borrow, and then after you tap borrow, view the available loan amount. Cash App will display the amount that you can borrow. This amount varies based on several factors like your account history and usage. And then choose the loan amount, and after you select the amount of money that you wish to borrow within the offer range, and then agree to the terms, review the loan terms and conditions, including fees and repayment schedule, and then accept the terms and conditions by tapping continue. After you read them, and then you're gonna receive the funds, and the borrowed amount will be deposited in your Cash App balance. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.